How to return Zalando items in 2025. The first things first is open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Just head directly to Zalando.com's official site, and in here just specifically choose on what country you're in right now if it is available one of the following here. The next thing to do is of course log in to your Zalando account. Now, according to their FAQs, you can return your unused items within 30 days. That's going to be free of charge. So all you have to do first is again access your account in order and then log into your Zalando account using your username and password, and then just head directly to orders and returns section. Now select the specific order containing the item that you want to return and then initiate the return. Choose the return option for the item you want to return and indicate why you are returning the item. Obtain the return label and then download the return label as a PDF file. Now, if you don't have a printer, you can use the use your return barcode on your phone option, which will send a barcode to your email, and then finally pack and prepare the item. Place the item back in its original packaging, and if you don't have the original packaging, pack it securely to prevent damage. You find the designated return drop-off point and then hand over the parcel and keep the receipt. And once everything is sorted out, all I have to do next is just wait for the Zalando customer support to get back to you for you to be able to get your refund. And that's basically it. That's how you return an items in Zalando in 2025.